Student, welcome to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Previously I discussed the factorization on the basis of the using algebra. I just write down all the algebraic formula is here. Okay. On the basis of this, I just discussed 3-4 sums on the other day. So now you just remember the formula. Now today I discuss the using the identities, in which way we just factorize the sum. Okay. Now the sum is this 4p square minus 9. This is an algebraic expression because the plus and minus are there. So now you know already factorization means the multiple relation. You just convert it in the multiple relation. 8 you convert 4 into in this way. Why? Because if you just divided by 8 divided by 4, you get the answer is this. If you divided 8 by 2, you get the answer is 4. So in this way, this actually called the factorization. I just repeatedly say you what is actually the factorization. That is the very important thing is this. Not this 8, 5 is not the factor of this 8. Because 5 is not 8 is not divided by 5, the answer will be decimal, not the whole number. For that reason, okay. So this is not the proper concept. So now apply here. So in which formula you apply? Is not. Now this is the formula. This is a square minus b square. Here is 4p square. That means you write already 2p whole square. Because 2p whole square is 4p square, and 9 you write 3 square. Now the formula is coming a square minus b square. This is a, this is b. A square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. So 2p plus 3 and 2p minus 3. So this is the answer. So if you factorize this, the answer will be this. 2p plus 3, this is the multiple relation. And 2p minus 3. 2p minus 3. Clear? Why? Because if you just divided this 4p square minus 9, if you just divide it by 2p plus 3, what is the answer? Answer is 2p minus 3. So that is actually the inner meaning of the factorization. Okay. So this is the very important thing you understand properly. Okay. So this is the very important thing. Clear? Okay. So in this way you just arrange. This is this. Clear? If you just divide this by this, you get the answer this. If you divided this by this, you get the answer is this. Okay. Now the next sum. Just I show you different pattern of sum. Okay, don't be panic. Now the other sum is this. This is 4. This is 4x square minus 169y square. Now, very interesting. You just arrange in the form of this a square minus b square. 4x square, that is 2x whole square. No problem at all. And this is 169 means 13 actually. 13 into 13, 169. Y square, so y whole square. So now in the form a square minus b square. If you want arrange this the proper way, the answer will automatically come in. And the formula you know. Just this is a very important step. Okay. From here to here is a very important step. Just you properly understand this. In which way you just solve it. 169, you just 13 into 13, 169, 13y square. Now this is a square minus b square, it's very easy. 2x plus 3y and 2x minus, 13. This is 13. Okay. Very important stage is this. In which way it's come this to this. The very important stage is this. This is coming. So this is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So this is very important. You just understand in that place. Very important. Okay. Clear? This pattern. Okay. Now the next. Okay. One is the last for today. Here is 9x square y square. And this is 25. No problem. Just you arrange, think in your brain. Just you arrange. 9 means 3. X into x square means x into y whole square. And this is 25 means 5. Just automatically, just you step, one step. I not complete the sum. 9x square y square, that means 3xy whole square minus 25 means 5 whole square. Coming a square minus b square. This is the very important stage, very important stage. Okay, so now this is 3 9 and this is x square, this and 5 going. So a square minus b square, this is this and this. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. So you use the formula. Clear? Clear? Okay. In this way, solve the sum. No sum will be very much tough to you. I just show you the very easier way. Just now the sum is this. Suppose this 16x square minus 1 by 144. No problem. You just arrange this in this way. 16 means you already know this is 4. X square, this is 1 is a square is coming. And now this is 144, you know 12 into 12, 140. A square minus b square is coming. So first step is very important. First step is very important. I just not complete the sum. Okay. This is 4x plus 1 by 12 and 4x minus 1 by 12. Okay? No problem. So in this way, you just solve the sum. No problem at all. First stage is very important, which formula you apply, and the properly you break down this from this to this in the proper way. Then the formula is coming a plus b, a minus b. Okay. So now the next sum. Just I show different pattern, different sum. So that will be very easier to you. Here is, this is 20 x square and minus 45 y square. Here is one difficulties arise. You just see, this is 20 x square and is 45 y square. You know this is x square, x is there. X is whole square, so this is no problem. But in which one? 20. Now a problem is arise. Okay, here is y square, you write y square. But 45 is not a perfect square, whole square. So one thing is there, you just first, very interesting and very proper way. You just take, this is 20 means key, 4 into 5 x square, you write, and this is 5 into 9 y square. Okay, very interesting thing. Now these are 5 is common, you just, and this is 4 2 square and this is 9 3 square. So 5 is totally out of bracket. So now here is left 4x square. This is a very important stage. Very important stage is this. The very important stage. Don't to be panicking in that place. This is 20. How much is 20 is which one square? No problem at all. You break this 20. 4 into 5, 45, 5 into 5. This 5 and this 5 is coming out of this bracket. So is 4 is a perfect square number, whole square, and this is right here, the 9 ultimate, the stage 5 is coming. So this is 4x square and minus 9. Now the next stage, 4x square, that means 2x whole square. Now the answer is becoming 3y whole square and the plus. Okay, 5 is always out of bracket. Now this is a square minus b square. So a plus b coming answer. And this is a minus b is coming. Now the ultimate answer is 5 bracket 2x plus 3y. 5 2x minus 3y. The answer will ultimately come. This is the very important. Here you don't to be confused at 20 and 45. You just break it. And which one is the common you out of bracket? What is the left is this? Here is the 9y square. Then a square minus b square. A plus b. And this is 5 is always out of bracket. Okay. So no problem at all. Any sum will be solved. You just know properly. Okay. Clear? Okay. This is the very important thing. This. If the problem arises in this way, you just break down this. Okay, 24 into 5. Why? Because I already know this 4 into 5, here is 5 into 9. 5 is automatically common and 4 is the perfect whole square. So 4 means 2 the whole square and 9 means 3 the whole square. Clear? For that reason I break. Okay. So now the next sum. And this is for the last sum for today. Okay. Now this is 9 by 16 minus this is 25 a square. No problem. 9 by 16, that means you know 3 by 4 whole square. Now this is 25 means 5 a square b square, so ab total bracket this. So 5 25 is now a square minus b square, a plus 5ab and this is 3 by 4 minus 5ab. The answer is correct. No problem. No problem. Clear? So in this way you solve the sum. In this way. Don't to be panic. Factorization is very interesting, very easier way. I just show you very easier way. Just you remember all the formula and which way I just break down this. Last video just grouping is there. So here is actually the grouping or out of bracket. The common thing is the out of bracket. The which one is the common, you just first out of bracket. Okay. So for that way you just solve the sum. Okay. So now if you like this or understand this, please subscribe the channel, share to the others. Thank you. Thank you student for today. Next day I'll different pattern of videos I'll upload it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you student. Thank you.